YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Christian and welcome to or back to my channel. For today's video, you're gonna paint with me. Yes, so I basically didn't know what the hell to do for today's video. I was gonna do another monologue, but I hadn't really had enough time to practice it and work on it this week. So I decided, why not help me finish this painting that I've been trying to work on for like half of quarantine, and hopefully finally get it up so when my next video comes, you guys can actually see where it's gonna go. And y'all be like, oh, I get what he was trying to do. But before I start painting, I want to remind you guys to please go check out my last video if you haven't already. My last monologue, Dally Raised the Gun from The Outsiders. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it in the description as always, as well as the link to my Twitter and my Instagram. Please go check it out, share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, do all that if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and if your friends haven't already subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. So there's no really set intro to this video. We're basically just gonna get started. I'm gonna tell you, basically talk about some topics that I've been thinking of, and we're just gonna chat and just chill and hang out. I've been going to class. Classes haven't been too stressful just yet, but I'm pretty sure with the upcoming weeks and like once we start doing more work and shit, it's probably gonna get kind of many. I'm really enjoying all of my classes. All of my teachers are great. I do have like a couple strict teachers, but other than that, all of them are pretty great for the most part. I'm really excited to learn stuff from them. This is my little paint kind of holder thing. Yes, it's kind of ghetto. I know, I'm sorry. I don't have a little palette thing like fucking Picasso. But anyways, I've been going to class and stuff. My classes have been pretty cool. My favorite class so far that I'm taking is my well, actually I don't really have a favorite. They're all kind of my favorite right now. But if I really have to choose one right now, I'd say my dance editing class, because it blends in to you know, YouTube and stuff like that, because then I'll be able to actually help edit and do some more cool stuff. So that one's been going pretty well. I just had a conference with my teacher the other day about my dance because I was a little worried about it. Mainly because the choreography I had for the dance just wasn't really, I don't know. I didn't think I had cool enough choreography for me to like really, you know, work with and edit. But after I showed it to my teacher, she kind of was like, no, this is perfect. Like she said that sometimes you don't need the main quality piece to be perfect, because by the time you edit it and by the time you edit stuff, you know, you're already going to be changing how it looks anyway. You're going to be trying to make it look cooler anyway. So the choreography doesn't need to be cool for the video to look cool. And once she said that to me, it started getting me thinking about my channel in general and how I just try to run my channel in a way where I'm not just rambling and talking on because I don't like editing. But this class is giving me the patience to do that. And so that's what I'm really enjoying so far. I'm also really enjoying my Black Studies class because we're hitting on all the current topics right now. And everybody's actually putting in some really good insights and really good info. We've been having some really deep-ass discussions over the past couple classes. So that one's been going pretty well as well. You guys can't really see what I'm doing. Painting this corner right here. So y'all are gonna see what I'm painting in the next video. Hopefully, if I can do it in time for the next video. If not, you guys are gonna help me finish the painting in the next video. How about that? So if I don't finish the painting before my next video, then y'all are gonna help me finish it. My love life is still single and ready to mingle. So you know, if y'all got any friends or anybody that's looking for a nice black man as myself, let me know, because I am available and I am trying to hang out and drink some wine and possibly go to a movie on Thursday. If you know, if you're free on Thursday, hit me up on Thursday, because I will be free on Thursday. But anyways, guys, another topic I want to talk about that I'm really excited for, that's like been on my mind, that I've been wanting to rant about, is the new Batman movie that's supposed to be coming out. So all of my friends know I'm a huge comic book fan, and comic book fan and like superhero fan in general. So like That's kind of what inspired me to do acting in the first place, is wanting to be a superhero as a kid, but knowing that obviously like superpowers and just, you know, people dressing up in costumes and, you know, kicking ass every single night doesn't really exist, because if it did, your ass is getting tossed in jail. But I've often wondered, this is just a quick little side note from what I was going to say, but I've often wondered what would happen if superheroes were actually real. Do you think the cops would still be doing half the, you know, fuck shit they do now if superheroes weren't alive? Or do you think the cops would still be the same way and probably shoot and try to kill the superheroes too? I don't know. People always are like, you know, are quick to just say like, oh, well, superheroes don't exist, so that would never happen. And it's like, well, I feel like we're moving on in an age where, you know, technology's advancing. I feel like at some point we're gonna get computer chips that are giving us superpowers, like an Upgrade, the movie Upgrade and shit. Which if you haven't seen the movie Upgrade, go watch the movie Upgrade, because that is a dope ass movie. Anyways, I'm excited for this new Batman movie with Robert Pattinson to come out. The trailer looked amazing, and when I say amazing, like I that's how I want to see my Batman. All right, kicking ass, like just not saying nothing, not doing nothing else. The minute somebody says some fuck shit, he's just ready to kick ass. That's the kind of Batman I like to see. So I'm excited to see this damn movie. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for all the superhero movies to come out, to be honest. I wish 2021 was here already so that way we can get these damn movies. I'm excited for the WandaVision show to come out. I'm excited for the new games that are supposed to come out for the DC side. Like the Suicide Squad kills the Justice League. Bitch, let me tell you something. When I fucking saw that title, I thought it was a movie title. And I was like, hold on. This movie looks like it's gonna be wet. First of all, bitch, the trailer wasn't even a movie trailer. It was a game trailer. I said, now who the fuck edited this? This shit look clear. When I say that shit look crisp. Like crisp, crystal clear. I cannot wait. I'm here for all the fuck shit and all the shenanigans. But what I'm most excited for is to get back out. I was going through my Snapchat the other day, and I saw a bunch of snaps at me at parties and shit. And aside from cringing, I couldn't help but have a little bit of sadness in my heart because I miss that shit. I mean, shit. You know, the point to go out sometimes, I mean, the point to go out is to have fun. But if that means that sometimes you look corny while having some fun, then, I mean, I guess that happens. There's times where I was looking through those Snap memories the other day, and I was like, ooh. Honey, I used to be on one, but dead ass though. I used to go hard back then, back in my first years of college when I was a wee little college freshman. All right. Now I kind of try to, you know, keep it strictly to just chill. But I miss going back out to parties and seeing some fuck shit, you know. Sorry, quick side note, but this is kind of a weird brown, but I'm hoping what I can do is I can blend this brown with the brown I already have, and I can make it kind of like a dirt-ish, but I feel like it's gonna come out very wood grained, and I don't want it to do that because if it comes out wood grained, it's not gonna look right. But you know what? We finna work with it, y'all. I miss seeing just random people do some random fuck shit, and me thinking to myself like, you know who don't do that kind of shit? Like 21 Savage said, it was one late night, we was cruising the streets. I miss seeing my friends dance on tabletops and just act a fool and shit. Like Sparkle. Y'all remember my friend Sparkle from the Racist Encounter video? I'll never forget this shit too. One of the snaps I saw was when she jumped over a railing and started bouncing ass with it. I said, whoa. All you hear is me in the Snapchat is me being like, get your ass down. What the fuck are you doing? Yo, get your ass down. I'm talking about she over here on the edge of the balcony with it, just bouncing ass. I was in shock. But also at the same time, complete awe, because like my best friend was hitting it. Like sis was really going in. But now it's just kind of cringy. And also at the same time, well, now that I'm looking at it now, it's so weird looking back and seeing myself at a party and then thinking about going to a party now. Because now when I think about going to a party, I like flinch and I kind of cringe. But then back then, I used to be like, you know, I used to be any and every fucking way. All right, I was with it all. I was like, where the fun shit at? Let's go. I'm trying to party, okay? people with close friend groups, like super close friend groups, will know the sharing the bottle shit. Like, that's the shit that I was kind of shocked at. Like, damn, I used to really share bottles with people, and like, yeah, like, even though they're my friends and like obviously like I trusted them and shit too, it was still just kind of like, why did we do that? Like, like, who were we? Like, we really were that desperate where we said, bro, like, we don't have any money for any other extra alcohol, so what we're gonna do is we just want to we just want to split the shit like this. We all want to drink from the bottle. That shit did save a lot of money, having like 6, 7, 8 people pitching on a bottle. But child, honey, looking back at it now, that shit was not cute at all. He was just trying to get lit, because what else was there to do in a simple college town with barely, you know, anything. The bowling alley here is hella expensive. The only thing that is really cool to do here is go to the movies, which is like, for me as an actor, like that's what I want to do more so anyway. Even though I barely went to movies when I first got here, but that's just because, like, you know, money was tight. So and movies, as much as I love movies, they're expensive as shit for some reason lately. Like, movies have been hella expensive lately. So I don't know why, but they need to calm them damn movie prices down, because ain't nobody trying to pay no damn $20 for no damn movie ticket and then another $20 for no damn popcorn. You know what I'm saying? And then y'all want to be mad when we bring our own food into the theater, and it's like, well, damn, bitch, calm your prices down. Then maybe I'd buy a damn popcorn. All right, y'all already charging a damn arm and a leg for the ticket. Then y'all want my damn organs too for the damn popcorn. Might as well should just eat before you go. But anyways, y'all, I'm pretty much done with this little section that I was gonna paint. And I have to sit here and let it dry, but I don't want to sit here and keep y'all waiting with all that. So thank y'all for hearing this all over the place rambling kind of video. I hope y'all enjoy. Hopefully by next video, y'all will get to see the finished product and y'all get to see what I've been working on over here. I'm really excited to show you guys some other new things I've been working on too. I'm also going to show you guys the dance project I was working on as well. The only thing is that the music that I'm using for it will get me copyrighted here on YouTube. So I won't be able to upload it on here, but I'm thinking about uploading it onto my Instagram, or maybe my like, I'm thinking about making it, like, uploading it to my Instagram. It's not that long, it's like 49 seconds. So I'll just either upload it as an Instagram post or I'll upload it as an IGTV. I'll think about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it was kind of all over the place, but I wanted to give you guys something today. I didn't want to just leave you hanging. And also, I was bored as hell, so I was like, why not just hang out with me, hear me ramble and rant about random topics for a good, I don't know how long this damn video is. So yeah, but anyways, y'all, let me get out of here. I love you guys. Hope you guys continue to stay safe. Keep y'all hands sanitized and washed and clean. I love y'all. Have a good rest of y'all Friday, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.